To fix Doordash now unavailable. Start by checking your account status and ensuring you have a stable internet connection. Open the Doordash app and navigate to the account section to verify that your account is active and not suspended. Next, check your location and ensure you are in an area where Doordash is available. The app may not function properly if you are in a restricted area or outside the designated delivery zone. If your account and location are in order, restart the Doordash app and try to access Dash Now again. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues and get the app working properly. If the issue persists, check your phone settings to ensure that location services and notifications are enabled for the Doordash app. These features are necessary for the app to function correctly, and disabling them may cause errors. Additionally, check for any available updates for the Doordash app and install the latest version. Outdated apps can experience glitches and compatibility issues, so keeping the app up to date is essential. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Doordash app. This will remove any corrupted files and reset the app to its default settings. Finally, if you have tried all the above steps and the issue still persists, contact Doordash customer support for further assistance. They can provide more detailed troubleshooting and help you resolve the issue. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Doordash now unavailable issue and get back to using the app. Remember to always check your account status, location, and app settings to prevent similar issues in the future.